Hey guys, we're going to get right into this tutorial. You're going to need aloe vera gel, or if you're bold, you can go ahead and get the aloe leaf, some isopropyl alcohol or witch hazel. I'm actually going to use both. Some vitamin E oil, a 4-ounce pump bottle. This is also optional. Thieves household cleaner, I'll get into that. And then these are the measuring items that you need. All right, so if you use the aloe vera gel, what you need to do first is shake it up, which I started to not do, and then I realized there was some liquid coming out. So shake it up first, and you're going to need 1/3 cup of the aloe vera gel. Okay, so just a few things to notate about aloe vera gel is that it has antibacterial properties, it's moisturizing, and it can also reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Alright, so you need 1/3 of either alcohol or witch hazel, but I'm extra, so I used both. I used less than 1/4 cup of the alcohol and filled the rest with witch hazel, which can ease inflammation and soothe sensitive skin. The next thing I used is vitamin E oil, and this is just for added moisturizing, and I only used 1/2 teaspoon. This is also an optional ingredient, but I'm using the Thieves household cleaner. It's non-toxic, 100% plant and mineral based, biodegradable, fights household germs, and it's in a concentrated form. Now you can opt for using Thieves essential oils, but if you do choose to do the oils, you will need a significant amount of drops, and that is why I chose to use the concentrated form. Again, this is optional, you don't have to use it, but I love Thieves. If you want some more information about Thieves or where you can get it, I'll leave some information in the description box below. Now you're going to go ahead and add that aloe vera gel to the mixture, and then you're just going to mix everything together, and just make sure you mix it as well as possible. All right, so the last thing that you need to do is just go ahead and fill up your 4-ounce bottle. This mixture actually, makes more than you probably need. So if you can get your hands on like a 6-ounce bottle, that should be enough for that, because I did end up making a mess, which is all good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, and there you have it, guys, your own DIY hand sanitizer. So go ahead, get you some aloe vera gel so you can make this immediately, because I'm pretty sure there's still no hand sanitizer on the shelf. I still can't find it, so I'm glad I made this. And just in case you want to know, this particular mixture does not leave your hands dry whatsoever. It actually left my hands quite moisturized, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!